just what I was taught. I always just feather it out like that. We use brushes most of the time. I'm using this because we can. But I like cutting it along a trim and then not fighting with getting stain all over it. I like to make sure I re-wet that lap, because if you don't, you can sometimes then see that shadow issue.
So is this like a one-step deal, or is there gonna do a finish gonna go over this?
This is strictly stain. You need a finish over it. Yep.
And can you just say they don't want to use a basics finish? Can
Yep.
you use any other finish on top?
Can you? Yes. Should you?
Oh, of course, yeah.
Yeah.
You know these guys, huh?
Right. So I get that question. Is this stain compatible with different finish chemistries? Yes. We actually make an oil-based finish for the sport industry. You can put oil-based finish over it. Now, is it compatible with everybody's water-based? No. It does not like some water-based finishes. But I would say out of 10 different manufacturers, 7 of them work just fine with it. But there's probably 3 that don't. I just throw in, there's no specific number there. I'm just saying most of them do. I've been able to put acid cure over it. This is not much of an acid cure world down here, is it? No one's using Blitz Us?
No, here. No.
Acid cure? No. Good. Don't forget about it. That stuff's nasty.
How's the reaction of that stain with the oil paint on top?
It's perfectly fine. That's where that oil component is nice. Most of the gym guys out there like to use oil seals instead of water seals because of side bonding. So I've had oil sealer go over this a lot. And this product is not brand new for this year. This chemistry actually dates back to 2015. Another chemist developed this product and tried to go to market with it. Didn't really have the success under that label. Basic Coatings grabbed this chemistry, worked on it, advanced it another step, and now we're releasing it to the market under our brand because we found the chemistry very interesting. We found a tweak that we could advance it, make it apply a little easier, and we kind of like it.
And does this work as a sealer? And can you just go right over the top with the finish, or
Put street shoe directly over it.
right over it? Okay.